Hey everyone, if you're in Turkey and you're having trouble using Discord, whether it's not connecting, voice chat doesn't work, or the app is blocked, you're not alone. In Turkey, Discord has faced temporary restrictions and throttling in the past, especially during political events. Sometimes the app works, but voice chat or servers won't load properly. But don't worry, there's a safe and easy way to unlock full access to Discord in Turkey. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to use Discord in Turkey with a method that actually works. You'll find a link in the description to get NordVPN, the VPN I personally use. It's one of the few services that works reliably in countries with digital censorship. Let's start with why this happens. Turkey has previously restricted Discord along with other platforms like Twitter and YouTube, especially during periods of political unrest. Even when Discord isn't fully blocked, users often experience slow loading or disconnected voice channels, failed server joins, problems using the app during specific times or events. These are usually caused by ISP throttling or geo-based restrictions. To fix this, you need a VPN, virtual private network. A VPN helps you by changing your IP address so it looks like you're browsing from another country, encrypting your connection so your internet provider can't block or slow down Discord, giving you full access to Discord's features, text, voice, video, screen sharing, and more. But here's the catch. Not all VPNs work in Turkey. Free VPNs are often blocked or too slow to be usable. That's why I recommend NordVPN. It has obfuscated servers that hide VPN usage from your ISP, fast and secure connections, perfect for gaming or voice chat, a 30-day money-back guarantee so you can try it risk-free. Here's how to set it up in just a few minutes. Step 1. Click the NordVPN link in the description to sign up. Step 2. Choose your plan and create an account. Step 3. Download and install the NordVPN app on your device. PC, Mac, Android, iPhone. Step 4. Go to Settings, Auto Connect, enable obfuscated servers. Step 5. Connect to a server in a stable country, like Germany, the US, or the Netherlands. Step 6. Open Discord and everything should work. Voice chat, messages, screen sharing, all fully accessible. If Discord still isn't working right away, try these quick fixes. Switch to a different NordVPN server. Change VPN protocol to NordLynx or OpenVPN TCP. Restart Discord or clear its cache. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile connection is stable. These usually fix the issue instantly. And that's how you use Discord in Turkey, even if it's restricted or blocked. Just use NordVPN with obfuscated servers to bypass the block. Use the link in the description to get started and try it risk-free for 30 days. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments. I respond to everyone. If this video helped you out, hit the like button and subscribe for more Discord tutorials that work anywhere in the world. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.